The main focus of narrative therapy is also to help clients identify and understand the dominant narratives shaping their lives and explore alternative, more empowering narratives that can help them achieve their goals. Narrative therapy aims to separate the individual from the problem, allowing the individual to externalize their issues rather than internalize them. Narrative therapy is typically used to treat various mental health issues, including depression, anxiety, trauma, and addiction. A narrative therapy treatment plan template is a tool commonly used in mental health to assist therapists in developing a structured and effective treatment plan for their clients. This template is designed to help clients reframe their personal stories and view themselves and their experiences more positively. Therapists use the narrative therapy treatment plan template to direct therapy sessions and assist clients in reaching their objectives. The narrative therapy treatment plan template is a valuable resource for therapists who want to assist their patients in developing a deeper awareness of themselves and their personal narratives. You would typically use a narrative therapy treatment plan when helping clients overcome negative self-talk and self-limiting beliefs, to assist clients in reframing traumatic experiences more positively, to help clients develop new coping skills and strategies, and more. Mental health professionals such as licensed therapists and counselors, psychologists, social workers, and psychiatrists can use our free printable narrative therapy treatment plan. To use our narrative therapy treatment plan, follow these steps. Download the narrative therapy treatment plan template off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details at the top of the form. With the client's input, identify the specific problem they want to address in therapy. Ask the client to describe the problem in detail, including how it makes them feel and impacts their life. Use this information to create a narrative that captures the essence of the problem. Ask the client to identify their strengths and resources. Work with the client to define their goals for therapy. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Develop strategies to help them achieve their goals. Review the plan with the client and implement it in therapy. Monitor progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. At regular intervals, evaluate the plan's effectiveness with the client and celebrate any successes and identify areas that need further work. Here is a sample of our narrative therapy treatment plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our narrative therapy treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.